Yo, what is up, everybody? It's Peace-Eye. You know what time it is. It's time to keep my promise and show you guys the shaving of the ultimate mustache. I wish I could grow a beard still, but maybe someday I will be able to. But for now, we're going to conform with societal norms and not have a creepy mustache. Whatever, I'll shave it for you guys. All right. So first, you get the shaving cream and you lather it up or whatever, and then you like put it on your face or wherever you want to shave. I'm just going to be doing like the mustache area for now, just to show you guys, because yeah, this is what you wanted, this is what you'll get. So we're going to apply, and we're going to get the soul patch too. Yeah, let's get that in there. You know what? Let's just do the whole thing. Why not? You guys will watch anything, won't you? Probably, right? Did you come here for the entertainment? Why are you here? Why are you even here right now? Because you want to watch me suffer? Is that it? Well, you've come to the right place. Because in this life, there's only suffering. Alright, then we get our nice, fresh razor blade. Moisten it up so it doesn't hurt us too badly. And then, actually, we're going to probably keep that water on a little bit. Don't want it to be too loud for the camera. Alright, so let's start. You go against the grain or whatever. Delicious. This is great. I'm glad that we can share this together and that you guys can be here for this. The pièce de résistance is at the end. I guess it's probably going to be really difficult to shave that thing. It's pretty thick. Keep the sideburns at about earlobe level. That's how you do it, bros. Dang, look at that jaw muscle. What have I done with my life? I don't know. I better look better after this, or younger, or whatever. I don't know. What's the goal here? What's the goal? Why do people go clean shaven? Beards are just better, I think. They show dominance and testosterone and manliness. I miss my beard so much. One of the first times I shaved was in high school because they didn't allow you to have facial hair at the high school I went to. And then if you came into work with any facial hair, they would send you down to the facilities or whatever, the main office or whatever, and then you'd have to buy a razor blade for $1 and some shaving cream, and they sent you into the bathroom to shave in the middle of the period. And it was supposed to be shameful or whatever, but, you know, you live and you learn. But yeah, the first time, I didn't know what I was doing, because I'd only ever used an electric shaver. So when I was wiping the hair off the blade, I was going sideways instead of downward to filter the hair out. And I had like cuts on my thumb, just razor cuts. That was not good. That was really not good. Wow, that's a lot of hair. Okay, the moment of truth. You guys, this is what you came here for. Oh, delicious. Actually, that's going to clog my drain. Alright. Actually, I probably should have shaved it electric first and then gone in for it. Okay. Alright. Almost done. Wow, that looks crazy. Very different. That little mustache is so big. All right. Ow. I think I pulled some hair out with that one. Okay, perfect. I think I'll just leave that. Is that good? Just kidding, guys. I promised you something, so I'm gonna deliver. All right. Done. Let's wash up my face a little bit. Guys, I look ridiculous. Like, why did you make me do this? I look so silly. Oh. Am I attractive now? Did I do it? Is it done? Let me know in the comment section what to do. Well, you'll probably just tell me to kill myself because it's the internet. Let's be honest here. But hopefully this looks better to the majority of the population and you guys stop harassing me for my mustache. I know I said I wasn't going to shave it, but then I was like, you know, you got to live in society. Well, I hope that kind of helped you out in learning how to shave. But who knows at this point? Who knows who's watching this still? But we'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like the video, comment, tell me a mean thing, tell me a nice thing, tell me something else. I don't really know. And subscribe to the channel. We need to get monetized again. They ruined it for me. It used to be 100 subscribers and you could get money, but now you need 1,000. So I'm going to need some more subs. I'm almost to 200. We'll have a nice little 200 special for you guys. Like I said, we're going to be doing the all-meat diet very soon, and we're going to have some other fun stuff for you guys waiting, okay? But until next time, I'll see you then. All right, bye-bye.